GIDT Travel.
Hello everyone, it's just MK. Welcome to GIDT Travel. In this video, I would like to introduce you one of the most wonderful tours in Vietnam, Hoa Lu Ancient Capital, Tam Coc and Mua Cave one day from Hanoi. Get ready to explore the itinerary in detail and experience the best of what this tour has to offer. Ninh Binh is a beautiful province located in the northwest of Vietnam. From 7:30 to 8 a.m., you will get picked up by our friendly guide, then depart for Ninh Binh province. You have to know that the pickup only available in Hanoi Old Quarter, so you should book your hotel in this area for free pickup, and GIDT Travel will not be responsible for your lateness. You will have time to visit Ninh Binh from 10:30 in the morning to 4:30 in the afternoon. After that, you will get on the bus, say goodbye to Ninh Binh, and head back to Hanoi. Our driver will drop you off at your hotel in Hanoi Old Quarter at around 6:30, ending our wonderful day trip. Here is the 3 top attractions that you will visit in this tour. First one, Hoa Lu, the Asian capital of Vietnam. You will get the chance to cycle around for 45 minutes to discover local people life in Hoa Lu. Second, the Halong Bay on land Tam Coc with 1.5 hour bamboo boat ride through 3 iconic caves. And the last one, reach Lion Dragon Mountain by walking 500 steps to see amazing panoramic view of Tam Coc from Mua Cave. This day tour includes special modern limousine bus with experienced driver, English-speaking guide, free Wi-Fi and water on the bus. Buffet lunch with Vietnamese cuisine, especially goat meat, the traditional dish of Ninh Binh. Note that vegan foods are always available for you. And the last one is free usage of hat and umbrella, raincoat during the trip. The price includes all entrance fee to the 3 attractions and activities above. Please note that this tour do not include drinks for lunch and tips for tour guide and driver. If you're interested in this tour, click on the Book Now button to be with GIDT Travel. Our team will contact and be in touch with you throughout the entire trip. Additionally, Ninh Binh has other stunning places to explore, including Tràng An and Bai Dinh Pagoda. You can take a look on other GIDT Travel Ninh Binh tours and select the one that fits your needs. So, book your tour and travel your way with GIDT Travel.
GIDT Travel. Your smile, our happiness.